Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select distance markers on the Gaia GPS application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Now you should tap on the settings icon down below, which is the last option. After that, you should click on the distance markers section. Here you should select the distance interval, which is now set to 1 kilometer, and here you have 3 options. You can turn on notifications, tap on allow, markers and announcements. So now these distance marker functions has been turned on. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.